Right there.
Oh. Oh my God. Wow.
Her first time, she's scared, but she's going through it. Look at that. Oh,
I heard that, yep.
Popping and clicking already. All that stress, all that tension builds up, especially in the sacrum. Hip bones. Sacrum's like a diamond-shaped bone. Your tailbone's at the bottom. Hip bones lock in. The more you sit, the more compressed and tight this becomes. Then it travels upwards. The same thing if you bend over at the waist a lot. No good. And it's tighter on the left side. Shit, she's twisted a little bit. Turn to this side, face me. Lie on your left side, bring that left arm all the way through to me. And you're not breathing correctly, your sternum is stuck, your diaphragm is stuck. She needs it badly. Right here and here. Now right there, you're not gonna fall, okay? Just put that leg right here, get this one right here, get that head back right there, right here and here. And get you forward, nice and relaxed. She's all, good. You okay? Other side. She's like, what the hell was that? Here, right here and here, right here and here, right there, right. See all that tension? No good. Good. Oh, you're tight a little bit. Let's stand up. She left this thing again.
This is normal, huh?
Yeah.
Crack.
Oh, Jesus. She's so tight. Drop the shoulder right here. Nice and relaxed.
Oh.
Good. It's compression. The base of the skull and that first cervical vertebrae. Drop that head back right here. Let it go right there.
Oh.
See you breathing different already?
Yeah.
Look, you can breathe freely.
Wow.
Because all the compression. That's awesome. Good for you. Drop that right there. Same thing. No. Just drop that head back here into my hand.
Oh my God. Wow.
How powerful it is. Let's stretch. Let's breathe. Keep breathing. Awesome. Right here and here. Right there and there.
This thing I'm scared of.
You're scared of this one? Mm-hmm. Too late now. Sorry. Put that head back. Just decompress. It's gonna right down the midline. It's a traction adjustment. That's all it is. Decompress your whole spine. Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Oh shit. Oh wow.
Keep breathing.
I felt that
all the way through. Wow, nice. Now let's stand up. You know what? She scared me a second. Honestly, I still feel like crap. I thought she was gonna say. Yeah. Okay. Good.
No, that feels really, really good. Really good.
All that pressure. Again, like we talked about, pain is not the issue. Pain is a symptom of the problem. Pressure, tension, and stress from the posture habits compresses us down. We slump forward. This is the real issue, and that's what we have to address. If you go to a doctor and they're not addressing this stuff, and they just keep giving you pills, that they're doing the wrong thing. They don't know what they're doing. It's time to find somebody else.
Yeah, cracked me all the way down.
Yeah. Wait, what? The Y strap.
Yeah, that was
all the way down to her butt.
I thought you was gonna pull it out, I thought you was gonna pull it.
I was trying. I've been trying for over 20 years. I haven't gotten.
You haven't mastered that part yet.
Yeah, I haven't gotten anybody's head off or anything yet. Never be afraid to get adjusted.
Definitely.